Hello, this is Dr. Cole Woolley, and this lesson is called Emotion Wheel. Now, the body, the mind, the brain, the spirit, hormones, they're all put together in what we call one self. So the memories we have and the emotions we have and the physical body we have are all connected. I like to diagram it like this. This is our physical response to essential oils. Most of us spend the day in a steady state, which is active and working. Smelling essential oils, the right ones, will take us to a more alert state where we're competing and we're social. This is both an emotional and physical state. Smelling different essential oils will take us to a relaxed and calm and pensive state. So I like to draw our emotions in terms of this circle that's half above and half below this, that centers around the steady state, somewhere between feeling relaxed and feeling alert. And then taking 6 emotions and planting them into this circle. 3 of them are very pleasant emotions. They are peaceful, powerful, and joyful. And 3 of them are unpleasant emotions that we all feel from time to time. They include sad, mad, and scared. Now, these emotions are set up so that these 2 right here, peaceful and sad, are both called inward emotions. Inward emotions are private and quiet. And these emotions tend to be in the relaxed body state. Then there's steady emotions, powerful and mad, and they are in the active thinking state where we find ourselves most of the time. Finally, there's outward emotions that definitely have to do more with us socially and in competing and active thinking. And they are joyful and scared as part of outward emotions. Now, these emotions can be expanded so that the pleasant emotions, peaceful, can also be termed as serene, loved, and calm. The powerful emotions can be also expanded to show pleased, content, and confident. And then the joyful emotions can be expanded to be hopeful, friendly, and cheerful. Now, all these pleasant emotions can be expressed, and this is where we want to find ourselves, showing pleasant emotions, feeling pleasant emotions with ourselves and with other people. But there's also the unpleasant emotions. And they are sad, including depressed, lonely, and guilty. These are all associated with feeling sad. Also, the mad emotions, angry, discontent, and insecure. And then there's the scared emotions, which are very high alert, which are feeling tense, feeling confused, and feeling anxious. All these emotions, these unpleasant emotions, we feel sometimes on a daily basis, but hopefully we don't spend most of our lives feeling these unpleasant emotions. Essential oils can help us shift from the unpleasant emotions to the pleasant emotions. So this is the entire emotion wheel that includes also hormones. Now remember, this depiction shows the physical self, the emotional self, and the hormones that are associated with them. So we have pleasant hormones in adrenaline and the happy hormones, and then we have unpleasant hormones, part of adrenaline, and mainly cortisol. Cortisol is a hormone that runs properly in our body. It starts to decrease during the day, and at nighttime it's at its lowest, and then it increases before we wake up, so that when we wake up we're alert. But cortisol increases with all these unpleasant emotions and feelings, and keeps a person usually feeling this way. I'd like you to be able to look at this basic emotion wheel and study it very carefully. And I invite you to see if you can copy it from memory. You don't have to copy the colors, just the words and the concepts, both the physical and the emotional, and the fact that these are pleasant and these are unpleasant. If you'll do that, I think you'll learn a lot. So this lesson has been all about the emotion wheel, and we'll talk about how essential oils can help you be able to convert or shift your emotions from one to the other. Remember that essential oils, it's just a drop or two for a better you.